viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you unboxing of my new tripod, review and setup of it. So let's start. Inside this there is a tripod. It's a safe bag so that the tripod doesn't get damaged. See that this is the tripod and this is the mobile stand. Through a specific setup, we keep the mobile in the stand, and this is the tripod. So let me show you how to set up it. So first we are just making it like this. This part gets to down like this, and then we will attach this to here. It looks like this much, but we can take this to upside. This part is little harder, but that's why you have to do it very carefully and slowly. Means it can go more higher if you slow it down, and the part here you can see it has 3 stages, so you have to balance it and not let it fall, otherwise it will break it. See, this is the actual length of this tripod and it looks like this, and its length is this much, so don't pull it more harder, think it will go higher. It will not go that higher. Now we will place the mobile holder that will be connected in this part. You can see here that here and below it's controller through which this part is getting through the screwdriver. So we are now connecting it to it. It is now connected. You can see how it is. So you can see you can use this button to slow it or lower it down. For drawing videos you can do it like this. The mobile will be placed here through this part, and for any video you can do it like this part. And you have the below controller so that this in this part. So for controlling the mobile it should be tight enough. And so now I am going to measure the length of this tripod. So let's check it. So here we can see that it is 3 inches. Means 3 foot, and it's a 5 inch. So this way. In this video we saw about the setup of the tripod, unboxing and the review. So I really liked it. If you love this video, please give it a like and comment on how did you like my new tripod, and subscribe my channel if you haven't done yet. So bye.